Okay, what's up guys? It's me John, and I'm here now to demonstrate how to fix a Razer Naga Hex mouse. See, if you're not familiar about this mouse, it is a gaming mouse with 10 buttons, and I will now demonstrate you how to fix. And the problem now is this mouse is its sensor is not functioning, so I will demonstrate to you. And see it at the back of the mouse. It uh, haven't no screw holes, so it actually located behind this rubber tape. And I'll open this one. Okay, see there's a hole here, the screw. So you have to take this four rubber tape, and we can begin to take out this mouse. It's assembled. Easy open. And for you that is not familiar about this mouse, don't waste your time fixing it if you're not professional. So take take it easy, and I'll demonstrate you the proper way to fix this mouse. So now I removed already the four screw. Then we start to disassemble this mouse. Take out the cover. See here, uh, this, this is the crucial point to see. Now it's already open. Okay. Okay, see, so there are three screw here that we must remove. uh, First we have to take out the wirings. See here, remove this one. Okay, easy. Okay, now, and the plexus. See this plexus, have some black lock here, and you must strip this one so that we can remove the plexus. Okay, that's very easy. Okay, now we are going to unscrew the screw. Okay, there are three screw here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let's begin to unscrew this one first. This one, and near the wheel of the mouse first. Okay. Okay, now I'll remove the first screw. Then the trees, remove the PVC, small PVC board uh, at the middle of the wheel. So now we take out this wheel so that we can remove this PVC easily. Okay, see, you don't have to force it, just easy removing, and you can take this out. Oh, see, no problem, very easy. Okay, another we will take out the three screw, starting here. Okay, second one. Okay, in the last one. Actually, it's very easy to fix a race mouse. The complicated thing is the removing the screw. That's the only. And this flexes too, you had to remove this one too by tripping this block, and then you can, after you trip that block, you can pull the flexes. Then now it's ready. You can take out the PVC. Okay, easy, and then take out this wire connection from the cord. Now, okay, now we're ready to disassemble the mouse. So you see at the back there's is a sensor behind it, and this sensor is not malfunctioning. So what we will do here, we will use the special tool to fix this one. Normally you can find these tools in your house. It's very easy. Okay, so put this first in this concrete flooring. It's very helpful, and I will get the tools, special tools. Okay, now you see this special tools, it's called hammer, and to fix this one's very easy. You just have to smash this like this. And this the other, see, okay, can fix. Easy. That's how to fix a mouse. Close up. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed my show. So please subscribe for more videos to come. Thank you.